Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get all kinds of Facebook messages of your girlfriend phone to your phone. Actually we have a girlfriend and sometimes our girlfriend trying to cheating with us, right? And we really wanna know with whom she talking to through Facebook, right? So this video is only for you and it will take maybe 6 to 7 minutes. So don't skip any second, please watch till the end. And before starting, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So you'll have to go to any kinds of browser. So I go Google and search into the search box Cat Watchful. Cat Watchful, just Cat Watchful, okay? So wait please. And in this page here you can see the download Cat Watchful, right? So click on the download Cat Watchful link and it will 100% work, trust me, you'll be surprised. And scroll down and here you can see KTNU, one kind of captcha. So you will have to write it down here, all are capital. So KTNU, you will get maybe different kinds of captcha. So please type those captcha, okay? Don't use this. So after give this click on the download option and then click on the download. Actually I have already downloaded, so that's why it shows two kinds of file. And after installing, after downloading, you'll have to click on the open icon or find the folder where you downloaded this file, and after doing that click on the install option, then click on the open icon and then here you can see the accept and one kinds of box, so check it and click on the continue option and you will get this kinds of interface. So let's give all the permission, okay? Location, storage, then click on allow and then here you can see the notification settings. So here you can see the CWF, right? So click on it to giving notification settings. Remember, you will have to give these settings carefully, otherwise your will not work. So here you can see the accessibility settings, give it and scroll down and here you can see CWF, right? So click on it and give the permission. If you don't give these accessibility settings and notification settings, that time you will not these apps will not work, okay? So security warning off, skip it. And here is the another important thing, device administration, prevent unstalling. If you select it, that time no one can uninstall this software. Click it and click on the activate option. After doing that click on the continue option. Sorry, here is on kinds of screen capture, you will have to give all of this. So click on don't show again and start now and then click on the continue option. Then you will get this kinds of interface and you are new, so you'll have to create a new account. So click on the create user and give your Gmail and password and repeat password, okay? So let me do it. So after giving your email address and password, click on the X and your account will be created. And remember this thing, you will have to give your account your Gmail address, not your girlfriend Gmail address. So after doing that, wait for a moment and activation successful. Cat Watchful is ready to use, okay? And you can also hide this application. Here you can see the hide icon, so if you click on that icon your apps will be hide, okay? So click on the hide icon, and if you hide the icon, you must dial the number 543210 to open the app. So if you click on the OK icon, that time your apps will be hide. But if you wanna show these apps, that time just press 543210 on your dial pad and keep dialing by any sim. That time your apps will show, otherwise you cannot find these apps. Okay, so click on the OK icon, and after clicking the OK icon, you can go to your apps store, and here you can see the apps is not showing, right? So this is the done part of your girlfriend phone. I mean, you will have to doing this process on your girlfriend phone, and after doing that, you will have to come to your phone and then search again CatOS Full login or CatOS Full. Okay, so wait please, and scroll down. Here you can see the CatOS Full login page, so click on it, and you will have to give those email address and password when you created account, CatOS Full account. Okay, so wait please, and you will have to give your Gmail address and password. So let me do it. So after giving your Gmail address and password, click on the signing option and wait for a moment. And here is the all information about those devices, I mean your girlfriend devices. Okay, you can see lots of things into this website. So if you wanna see your girlfriend Facebook messages, so zoom it out, and here you can see the Facebook messages. So click on it, and you will be really surprised. Just wait. And here you can see all kinds of Facebook messages. Actually, this is my Facebook messages because I installed this software on my phone. But if you follow this, I mean if you install this software on your girlfriend phone, that time all kinds of your girlfriend Facebook messages will come to your phone. So here is the lots of messages I got. So that's it guys, and please make sure you subscribe my channel and give also like. And thank you so much for watching these videos. Thanks.